So here is the laptop screen broken. This is a model ASUS F556UA-AS54. So we are going to see how to replace this laptop screen, and I bought the laptop screen at laptopscreen.com. I received it in just a couple of days, which is a fast delivery. So basically there are like 4 screws at each of the corners. So we need to the bottom there are 2 screws, and there are no screws on the top, just to get the plastic thing off. So I don't know if you are able to see it clearly, but there are like 2 screws at the bottom. Now I think you should be able to see it. There was like white, there was a black sticker on it, so I just took it off to show the screws to you guys. So first we are going to remove these screws, take off the plastic cover off, then we'll remove the laptop screen, and then we'll repress it. Okay, so first let's get rid of these screws. Okay, so these are very tiny, so probably you need a very small screwdriver for a Okay, so assume I got the screws off, then let me power off the laptop. Make sure it's completely turned off. Then remove this plastic cover slowly. Make sure it won't break. So with some little difficulty you should be able to pull it off. So make sure you're not breaking it. Okay, so I thought I offed it, but let's make sure it's turned off. Okay, all right. Alright, so this is the second monitor. So again, there are 4 screws at each of the corners. So we are going to remove the 4 screws. So I'm just using a drill here, I'm just lazy. Alright. All the screws are off. Now slowly put this down. And since this is broken, I'm not using any protection here for the screen. So you should see the pins here. Okay, I got some protection now, just a cloth. So if you see the pin here, so you need to take out the sticker and pull the pin out slowly. It should come off fairly easily. Then the screen is off. So this is my old broken laptop screen. It doesn't really show as broken, but when turned on it's broken. Okay, so let's open the new laptop screen. Okay, so this is the new laptop screen. We are going to lay it up straight. Make sure the pin is totally flush inside the socket. Make sure it's totally flush. And we try to pull it little bit outside, so it shouldn't come off that easily unless you force it. That's how you make sure that it's flush. Okay, put the tape on. It's not really, I think it lost the gum actually, which is fine. Okay, let's flash. Align to the screws. We need to put 4 screws. I'm just going to record for at least for 1 screw. Try to. Let's turn on the laptop now. Okay. Great. Awesome. It's all fine. Okay, good luck to everyone. Bye bye.